Shape the future with your own two hands. Butler Tech's 3-year manufacturing technology program puts you in control of the machines that make the world move. Using cutting-edge tech, you'll master the tools and techniques behind everything from bolts to spacecraft. It all starts in 10th grade with machining basics, calculating, measuring, and mastering tools to cut, drill, and grind with precision. In 11th grade, you'll step into the world of computer numerical control, known as CNC technology, learning to operate advanced machines used in today's top industries. From robotics to automation, you'll develop the skills that keep you ahead of the curve. This is hands-on, real-world learning. You'll control industrial mills, lathes, and cutting-edge tools to create custom parts that matter. By senior year, you'll put your skills to the test in a personalized capstone experience, working with industry partners on co-ops, internships, or apprenticeships. Want to be a CNC operator, engineer, or manufacturing pro? Butler Tech's 3-year manufacturing technology program sets you up for success. Earn industry-recognized credentials, gain hands-on experiences, and be ready for college, career, or both. Apply during your freshman year and prepare for success, one precise cut at a time. Pursue your passion with Butler Tech's 3-year manufacturing technology program.